You can't see it, but you can definitely hear it. We're talking about that reconstruction that's going on 26th Street in Sioux Falls. It's now moved into another phase, and it's loud. Get used to this banging noise, because it's going to be around for a while. You can see the steel beams, but what you don't see are crews driving bridge pilings into the ground. City Civil Engineer Dina Knutson says we can expect this noise to last 2 to 3 weeks. Knutson says the beams are essentially the foundation for the new bridge that'll replace the old one over the Big Sioux River. 26th Street remains one lane in each direction from Yeager Road to Southeastern Avenue. The total project is expected to take 2 years to complete, and when done, the bridge surface will be 20 to 27 feet in the air. And if you'd like to see what the street will look like when it's finished, we've attached a link to this story at KELOLAND.com.